Hey friends, it's Monica and welcome back to Christmas in July. Today is day 11 for our vintage Christmas playing cards, and our prompt today is Grinch. I think this is my favorite card because this cute little Grinch is so cute. How can you not like him? He definitely is a Grinch, but he's smiling and he just looks so happy next to the Christmas tree, and he has some presents. I don't know if he's a true Grinch, but we're going to go ahead and go with it for our prompt. So as you can see, I already had some of my ephemera pieces. I had already an idea of what I wanted to do for this because the Grinch is going to definitely steal the show. So I started out by putting that label on the left hand side. It seems like I'm always starting with my left or my right hand side, adding some sort of a strip, and then on the top I put some more holly leaves and berries, and I lifted it up just a bit to add that green ticket. What a great background so far. I am loving it. So let's go ahead and figure out where we're going to put our cute little Grinch, and he's going to fit right on the bottom there. And then I'll have that round 25 token that we can also glue. All right, so let's add our cute little Grinch, and again, he's so adorable. This is one of the images on that ephemera sheet that you got if you did sign up early for the event. If you didn't sign up early, then you didn't receive the ephemera sheet for free, but no worries, it is over the shop, and I think you can pick it up for $1. It's pretty reasonable, and it has many of the prompts, including this cute little Grinch. So I am adding another strip at the bottom of the Christmas card, Christmas playing card, and then I will just trim that off in just a minute here. And then finally we can go ahead and we can add our little Grinch. So I'm going to add some glue to this. And as you can see, most of the jack for the card is covered up. I had several ephemera pieces that I used for this particular one, but I really don't want that image of that jack to show through too much. I just really want to have the J show, so that way you know that it definitely is a vintage playing card. All right, so there's that 25 that number 25 token, and I just kind of snuck it right under the little Grinch here. And then of course I'm adding some more of my walnut stain. This came out so cute. I just love it. All right, so I have some more of my remnant rubs, and we're going to go ahead and add some of these remnant rubs to the left and to the right. So let me go ahead and put on my music, and we will watch me finish up this card for our day 11 prompt, Grinch. Don't forget, I will be back tomorrow with day 12, and I hope that you're playing along and you're having a good time, and I hope to see you back tomorrow.